Ivorie, and I am here today with the Desire Company. Today I want to teach you a breathing technique that is in all of our Vinyasa flow classes, which is really the most popular Western type of yoga. So if you step into that class, you might wonder, what does the teacher mean when they say this word Ujjayi, or sometimes you'll hear it pronounced Ujjayi, breath. If you've got a block, I would suggest using it. I have my Manduka block here. And we use the block as like a throne for you to sit on. And when you're sitting on the throne, your spine gets taller and the breath is able to move easier up and down your spine, okay? So we'll try this. We'll imagine that you've got your hand, whichever hand you want, as a mirror, okay? And take a deep breath in, and then exhale, open the mouth and fog up the mirror. And hear the sound that you're creating when you do that. Inhale, and exhale, fog up the mirror. Now, one more technique. Imagine that there's someone sitting next to you, maybe there is, and just whisper something to them. I'm gonna whisper something nice to this tree plant. Beautiful lines. This whispering that you're using is the base of Ujjayi breath. Okay? So, now we've taken those two lessons and we're gonna put them into the Ujjayi breath. You're gonna create a sound that sounds like fogging up of the mirror or the whisper. Keep your lips sealed, exhale, do the same. Inhale, it's like a reverse whisper. Exhale. It sounds like wind moving through trees, it sounds like waves crashing on a beach. So that is Ujjayi breath. Take it with you anytime you feel overwhelmed and you need to bring your nervous system down.